So, what's your favorite thing about riding a motorcycle?
Open road, highways, yeah.
With friends.
Speed.
The what?
The speed.
The speed. So you like the wind in your hair lah.
Reason why I like two-stroke.
The two-stroke. Oh, that was.
To be able to just feel the wind and be free.
My favorite thing, blow wind, no?
Blow wind.
The wind when blow to your face, wow, sibei shiok ah.
Blow wind, blow.
Blow wind, blow wind, blow. Yes, correct.
It's like you're part of the environment. Unlike driving in a car, you're looking from behind a screen. It's like watching a movie, but when you're on a bike, you're so open and exposed. You're just part of the environment. Yeah, it's like there's this like unity with the universe. Yeah, and then it's like, they say 2 wheels move the body. No, sorry. As they say, 4 wheels move the body, 2 wheels move the soul. Yeah.
No! That's my camera!
We are doing interview now. This will be the NG.
It's alright, no worries.
Say hello.
Yeah, small matter. Okay, I got one last
This will
question.
be NG, right?
I got one last question.